Hi, hello friends. I'm Jolene and welcome to my channel. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share, I do a lot of temu hauls, lots of makeup, lots of subscription boxes. Today I got a couple of boxes in the mail, a couple of Happy Mails. One of them I'm going to show you, I like to shop sales, and the Labor Day had some really good sales, and also my Rakuten where you can get money back. They were having high percentages back. So I went ahead and ordered from some places, and one of them was Colorpop, and I kind of wanted to do a full look with Colorpop, and so I got a lot of stuff. I was hoping I could do a full makeup look. I'm not sure. I don't think that there's going to be foundation in here because that's something I just don't use. But look at inside. They pack everything. So I haven't gotten into it yet. I'm hoping it's easy to take out so I can show you as I go what I got. Gosh, I'll pull some of these out real quick while I didn't realize I got so much. Like, they had some really good deals going on. So, okay. Well, let's start with this. This is a face set. It's a trio. It's got a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter stick. And so, is this the bronzer? Looks like a bronzer. It's very gold though. I don't know if it's quite the bronze that I saw in the picture. Let's see what this one's going to be the blush. And oh goodness, that's bright. There's the blush. I think actually it will work on me though, so that's okay. And then I got these in a set. You could buy them individually, but if you got a set, oh no, this is a bronzer. So that's the highlighter. That's the golden color. That's more like it. And actually kind of blends out good. So, and this is the bronzer. Perfect. Okay, so I did get this set because it was less expensive to buy the three together. So actually, I'm kind of excited about these. I like facial. I like the sticks for facial. And there you go. You got a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer. Really good right there. Highlighter, blush, bronzer. Okay. So the next thing I have in here, let's see. Looks like I have some palettes. Looks like I have some lip stuff. I don't know. It almost looks like they gave me more than I ordered. Let's see. Okay. There's something here that says Troublemaker. I think I might be excited for that. I'll save that for last. Okay, so I'll do the palettes last. This right here, I'm gonna have a hard time reading these, so I'm gonna stick my little glasses on here. Meet Your New BFF. This is a cream gel liner, waterproof, 18-hour wear. Okay, let's see. It looks like a lip liner. Or no, it's a eyeliner. So there we go. I'm telling you, we're gonna have a full face of makeup other than foundation when we get done here. This is a lippy pencil is what they call it. This is, it looks like I got two of these. So there's one, and the other one, that looks kind of brown. The other one is, okay, I'm gonna test these right here. There's one. They are definitely, that's definitely my color. They're both look like they're good colors for me. So one's a more pinky purple and the other one's more a darky, like mauve color. The two there, they're a lot, they look a lot the same on the hand. They are different. So I got those two. And let's see if we got a lipstick or something to go with it. What is this? This is a lip. It's called Fresh Lips Lip Cream. Okay. Okay. It's just kind of like that. I think I got this to match. So let's see. Ooh. That's a really good color for me. Okay, so there's the color right there. So that's that. The next thing I have here, what is this? This is a shadow stick. I think I got two. No, I didn't. It's a shadow stick. And I chose the pink because I've been liking pink looks lately. There it is right there. I think that's going to look really pretty on the eye. So, kind of excited about that one. Okay, then I got a mascara. You got to have mascara if you're going to create a full look, right? I'll probably end up adding one with this, but I'm curious to see what Colorpop mascaras are. This says Level Up. I think it's more a lengthening mascara. Yeah. So there's that. And now we are down to, so facial products. Again, I got these three. I got the eye pencil. I got the eyeliner, the mascara, 2 lip pencils and a lip product. So, and then I skipped one here. This is the concealer, and it's no filter concealer. Really curious how these are gonna work. Let's see. Whoops. Right here, it looks like it's a good match with my skin tone. So there's that. Okay, now I've got 3 palettes. This one's little. A lot of their palettes are sold out. In fact, I went to different sites and palettes were just popular on the sale weekend. So this is Lizzie McGuire. And it is, oh, this is the blush. Yeah, I need a blush too. Well, I like a powder blush and a cream. So this is so cute. Look at the flowers in there. I think this looked like a really fun blush. I could not resist. So there's that. Then I have Miss Bliss. Oh, this is a pressed powder palette. So maybe I am right. Maybe I'm just going to have one palette this time because they were out of a lot. So this, I don't remember getting this, but well, maybe it is. Let's see what it is. Let's open it up. Cute packaging. You don't remember exactly. Okay. This, I thought it was eyeshadows. I guess it could be highlighters and blush, but I thought it was an eyeshadow palette when I got it. And it says face palette on here, but I think that you could do a cute eye look with that too. A lighter eye look. So there's that. Now, last but hopefully not least, I'm not sure what this is, but Troublemaker. Let's see what our Troublemaker. Anytime I have something with a name like that, it's always fun. Okay, so there it is. And I hope it's the one I'm thinking of because it had some really fun stuff in it. Okay. probably when I do the try on, I'm going to do a try on and another video of all this. And okay, yep, this is it. Okay, there are some really, some really cool, some of these, okay, let me do this one. Whoa, that looks just dark on my finger. I might have to put this on my, whoa. Now that looks black, but it was like a purple shimmer. I saw him do a look with it. That is so weird. It's just a black, but look, it looks like a purple iridescent. And that was one of the ones I was most excited about. So that's kind of a bummer. That's a purple. There's the pink. And there's the mauve. Right. I don't know if you can get that. I've got a gold, silver. Look at that. That would be really fun to use. Now that matches my nails right now. So anyway, I'll play with this. It looks like I could have some fun things I could do with this. So that will be in another video. But that was my fun haul from Colorpop. I love that they packaged everything really well, so nothing came broken. Really fun stuff. So things I hope I like. So we'll let you know in another video. I almost forgot one more product. This is an eye primer, which hopefully will go well with my eyeshadow palette. So anyway, there's that. Okay, so this is another brand. This Colorpop is another brand where you can buy a whole makeup look for under $100. I did an e.l.f. makeup haul and did an entire e.l.f. products video a week or two ago, a couple weeks ago. All these products, everything for your face except for like your primer and foundation, which I have my favorites of those. But so I'm excited to do this, but it is affordable. So there is affordable brands out there that can be decent. I was really happy with the e.l.f. look. We'll see if we're happy with the Colorpop products, but from what I see so far, I think I'm going to like them. So just wanted to add that. I'd love it if you subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment. Those things help my channel. Thank you for being here, and we will see you all in the next one. Alrighty, friends. Bye-bye.